Sasha Amelia, and I am back with another video, period. So today we're going to be doing I don't know what the title of this video is going to be yet, but 4-hour transformation video. And I haven't uploaded in like, I don't know, like 5 days or something like that. And I know I said I was going to be consistent, but like my hair wasn't done. So I had to wash my hair. And today I'm going to be installing this wig. And I was customizing this wig. I didn't record it for y'all to see how I like brought it back to life, because if you did not know, I had already worn this wig before once. I'm not gonna tell you where I got this hair from because it's not sponsored. So to go along with this video, make sure you follow my TikTok at Sasha Mulani, SashaMulani. I'm gonna be inserting the end results of the TikTok. So yeah, make sure you go watch that video, like it, run it up, you feel me? And yeah, you already know I got the fresh mixing, yes sir. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna wet it a little and then let it dry overnight. So I'm not wetting the top because I want this part to stay flat so it covers the rest of the tracks, because I don't want the track to show. So I'm not gonna spray this part to get curly. I'm gonna like leave it flat like that and hot comb it so it stays down. But I think that's yesterday I said I'll see you guys tomorrow, form basically, and install this wig. So that is what I'm going to do, speed up the process.
Best thing in the world, never change it for anybody else in the world. Skin girl, skin just like pearl. The best thing in the world, I never change it for anybody else singing. She says she really broke boy like me, don't believe in nothing but the almighty. Just a little jeans and a pure whitey. She never dream forever be nobody wifey. She wanna be a pretty but your heart is a me. Play you like a villain cause she caught in a way. Tonight I am walking away. 9 to my mind and I grind. Tonight I might fall in love, depending on how you hold me. I'm glad that I'm calming down. Not let no one come control me. Keep dancing and call it love. She fights it by falling slowly. If ever you are in doubt, remember what mama told me. Brown skin girl, that skin just like pearls. You're back against the world. I never tried you for anybody else. A brown skin girl, that skin just like pearls. The best thing in the world. I never tried you for anybody else. It was like a trophy when
to stick, especially with the spray. For some reason this part never sticks. So yeah, I be having trouble with that. But if you are a hairstylist and you have any tips, please let me know. So I'm just gonna spray the air taps again one more time, and if it doesn't stick, then I don't know, but that's what I'm gonna do.
leaves turn brown. And we could be together, baby, as long as skies are blue. You act so innocent now, but you lied so soon. When I met you in the summer, you act so innocent now, but you lied so soon. When I met you in, we fell in love as the leaves turn brown. And we could be together, baby, as long as skies are blue.
Yeah, you're beautiful. Them and them gon' fall in love with you in all of your glory. Your skin is not only dark, it shines and it tells your story. Keep dancing, make it
so innocent now, but you lied so soon. When I met you in the summer,
that is the end of this video. This is the outro. I'm gonna let it sit for a little whatever. And yeah, make sure to follow all my social medias. I'm gonna link them in the description box down below and put it on the screen right now. Make sure to follow my TikTok also at Sasha Mulani, SASHAMULANI. And yeah.
She never dreamed to ever be nobody wifey. Yeah. She wanna mean a pretty but your heart is a me. Play you like a villain cause she caught in